So my name is Anurag Agrawal and हम लोग अपना सेशन नंबर 5 स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं on public speaking, English training and facing interviews. And I've brought beautiful things for you. Okay, card number 446. Session number 5, card number 446. I'm quoting Woodson Wilson. Now, who was Woodson Wilson? He was the 28th president of United States of America. He said while making speeches, वो कहता है जब भी मैं speech बनाता हूँ, while making speeches, I not only use all the brain I have. Woodson Wilson, he said, I not only use all the brain I have, but I also use the brain I can borrow. It means that while making presentations, speeches, you have not only to use your own brain, but use all the material that is there all around you. Now, what are these materials? First of all, while making presentations, speeches, make sure that this is your own knowledge. People want to listen to you. I often say, instead of going to net and finding out everything, finding from a magazine, books, don't do it. First of all, write down the points from your own knowledge. Your own knowledge. Number one. Number two. Now, after finding out the knowledge, you must phone a friend. Discuss. I often say, I might be saying this again and again. You have to phone a friend. You must speak with your siblings, your colleagues. So, whomsoever you can do it, do it. Because every topic it evolves, it becomes better when you talk on this topic. So, talk on that topic with whomsoever you get in touch with. ये आपको जरूर करना है. Number 3, after having your own broodings, after having your own urges, after having your own material, after talking to your friend, and then you must go to library, a physical library if that is possible in your vicinity, in your locality. If there is a library, go there. If you have the physical book with you, आपके पास book है, it will be very easy for you. Book में से देखा and then you can prepare yourself. It's easier. E-books थोड़ी सी कम्बसम हो सकती हैं उस इंसान के लिए who is not very much familiar with the online material. Now, after having it from physical library, then you may go to internet. Now, internet has too much of data. You get data for everything. You have tweets also. There are billions of tweets, billions of material which is coming up in social media and then blogs and whatnot, e-books. My God, so much material you can get on one topic. You get thousands of blogs and material. So you can go to internet and find out the best supporting material. Now see, you need supporting material. You need a lot of things. And what those things are, I'll tell you a moment after. And then if you are not been able to find out the right supporting material from these sources, how about you interviewing somebody who has an authority, who's very good in doing so? Let me tell you, we are doing a training on public speaking, and 5 minutes after we shall come on English training and facing interviews. And our training is going to be for 15-20 minutes today. We are going to be keeping it very short today. Right, guys? Acha. So finally, when you want to source the material, best is if you go to somebody who is an authority, who is very good in having the knowledge. If he is expert, go to him. How about having an interview? If that person doesn't give you time for the interview, how about telephoning him? How about using some friend who can make you connect with that person? If you do it, it will be very easy for you. So do whatever, but you must have a lot of data with you. Every time I come to you, I go to net, I have hundreds of books with me. There are books, I have internet, I have a lot of experience, 20 years of experience I have on public speaking. So out of those experiences, those experience that I have, you must do it. You must not copy. I'm not saying that you have to copy, but you must take the inspiration, you must read, you must talk to people, and then come to the final conclusion. And that's what people want to hear from you. They want to know what knowledge do you have. It's not that you have to give the copy to them. I told you yesterday also. Now, what are the kind of supporting material? क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं जो कि आपको एक भाषण में, speeches में जरूरत पड़ सकती हैं? ये चीज़ें हैं क्या क्या? What are these supporting materials? Number 1, you must have beginnings and closings. Every speech, every presentation must have beginnings and closing. If you don't have beginning, closing, your speech will be very ordinary. Most people who do not have beginning, closing, most people who do not practice anything, how do they start? They say, hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Anurag Agrawal and my topic is blah 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 blah. This is very banal, this is very ordinary. This is what most people do. Why do you do it? have a different beginning, have a different closing. It could be a one-liner, and yes, make it interesting. Why you have to make it interesting? So that your speeches are heard. People have their problems. Everyone has his own problem. They might be bored by the previous speakers. So when you have a one-liner, when you make them laugh, not only their attention is diverted, not only you bring them to you bring them to your speech, you make their life meaningful. They must be having problems, personal problems, social problems, their professional problems. So when you talk about a one-liner and what these one-liners could be, you may come on stage and you may say, ladies and gentlemen, I have a good news and a bad news for you. What do you want to hear? If somebody says bad news, say, okay, I'll give you a good news. And the good news is there will be laughter. And after having the laughter, say, the good news is that this afternoon, I'm going to sing for you. Everyone will be quiet. This man is going to sing for me. And then you may say that, now, think if this is the good news, how bad the bad news is. And there'll be a laughter. So you may start with this one-liner, or you may start by saying that when you come on stage, you may say, ladies and gentlemen, the management told me not to bore you with the long speech, so I've decided to bore you with the short one. My name is Anurag Agarwal, and blah, blah, blah. There'll be laughter again. So one-liners are important. Let's have the closing. Let's say, for example, when you have come to the conclusion, have something which is a little different. For example, मैंने एक जगह पे use किया था. It was YMCA Connaught Place. So after having 2 hours of talk, ladies and gentlemen, it reminds me. Ladies and gentlemen, it reminds me. When I was coming to the conclusion of my presentation, I said, ladies and gentlemen, it reminds me. Once I was speaking at YMCA Connaught Place, and after 2 hours of my presentation, I went to a gentleman and I said, sir, what are your comments on my presentation, my speech? What are your comments? This gentleman, he looked at me and said, comments? Presentation? Speech? Workshop? I've come here because it was raining outside. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know for what reasons you have come here, but thank you. Thank you very much for coming here. So this way, when you make your speech, when you close your speech with humor, that is interesting. So make sure that your speeches are having beginnings, closings, some kind of explanation, description. Now, I told you beginning and closing are important. How about the middle body? In the middle body, you must have examples, definitions, quotations. Many quotations are needed sometimes. So when you are using quotation, अगर आप इन quotation को use करते हो, example को use करते हो. Example for example, you know how many times Thomas Alva Edison failed to make a light bulb? Audience से पूछो आप लोग, how many times Thomas Alva Edison failed? Somebody would say 100 times, 1,000 times. So he tried for 7 years, and every day he was experimenting on 30 to 40 objects. So in total, he must have experimented 12 to 15,000 times. 12 से 15,000 बार उसने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया होगा. So 1877 में, अब से 150 साल पहले, जर्नलिस्ट ने उससे पूछा, Thomas, you have failed for 10,000 times to make a light bulb. You are wasting nation's money. जानते क्या कहा उसने? कहता मैं 10,000 बार असफल नहीं हुआ हूँ. मैं 10,000 बार सफल हुआ ये जानने में कि ये वो तरीके जिससे लाइट बल्ब नहीं बन सकता. I've not failed for 10,000 times. I have succeeded for 10,000 times now. These are the ways through which a light bulb cannot be made. Ladies and gentlemen, उसके बाद you may continue with the speech. So what is this? It's an example. Use quotations, statements, examples to make your talk very interesting. Done? Okay, now these examples are of two kinds. One is a brief example, small example. The example which I used was for 15-20 seconds only. And then there are elaborated, extended examples. Short examples and elaborate examples. And then again, they are of two kinds. One is a factual one, which is based on fact. And second is hypothetical one, which has no relation with anything. Let's say, for example, so there was, मैं आपको example देता हूँ. There was this businessman and he was going ये hypothetical है. It's not fact. So there was an businessman, and he was going to the market with his donkey. And now this donkey fell into a precipice by accident. He fell into a precipice in a meadow. So since he tried level best to take the donkey out, but he was not been able to do it. So since he was very dear to him, the donkey was very dear to businessman. So he said, I must bury him. Instead of he would die, मुश्किल से वो मरे, तड़प तड़प के मरे, मैं उसको यहीं पर इसको दफना देता हूँ. So what he did, he started putting soil into the precipice. उस खड्डे में उसने मिट्टी डालनी शुरू कर दी. Now whenever the soil would come on donkey, what he would do, he would shake off his hand, shake off his body and climb on it. He would shake off his body and climb on it. He would shake off his body and climb on it. Slowly, gradually, the monkey was out of the precipice. But the same does not happen with us. When we have problems, जब हमारी जिंदगी में मुश्किलें आती हैं, तो हम लोग अपनी बॉडी को शेक नहीं करते, हम लोग क्लाइम नहीं करते, हम वहीं पर बैठ के रिग्रेट करते हैं. God, why? Why you have given me lime when you have given lemon to others? So we crib. Most people crib. तो ये एग्जाम्पल था, है ना? तो ऐसे जो एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं, इनको हम लोग हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जाम्पल्स कहते हैं. तो कुछ एग्जाम्पल होते हैं जो फैक्चुअल होते हैं, जैसे थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन का आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया, that was based on facts. The second one, which the example of businessman and donkey and the precipice was based on factuals, hypothetical ones, based on which is not real. So आपको real हो या fact हो, extend हो short हो, आपको इन सारे example का आपके पास बहुत सारे example होने चाहिए. Then only you will be able to address your audience. Done. फिर उसके बाद I told you humor आपके पास जरूर होना चाहिए for making a talk very interesting. Humor be again, it's of two kind. One is one-liner and second is extended, elongated sentences, jokes, elongated. Example के तौर पर जल्दी से आप मुझे बताइए, कोई से दो ऑब्जेक्ट बताइए यहाँ पर. Give me two objects. Write down two objects. Write down two objects. I'll create a joke on one of the two objects. Just write two objects. Write down two objects. Just write one object by two people, by two participants. Write down two objects, please. Pen, okay, and computer. Okay, pen and computer. So I'll take pen. I'll take pen. I'll choose one of the two. Pen. 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 What do you want? Naughty or simple one? Write down. You want naughty or simple? I have both of them. Naughty or simple? What do you want to have? Naughty or simple? Simple. Okay. VP says simple, simple. So let's have somebody says naughty, naughty, naughty. Oh boy, 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 naughty. Very naughty. Okay, chalo. Very naughty. So I'm giving very naughty. Pen, na? So, okay. Okay. Pen. Pen. Okay. So it's very naughty. So there was a teacher and she was teaching the class, and the class was having the students of 9-year-old only, 4th standard. So all the boys and girls of 9th standard, they were sitting down, 9-year-old, 4th standard, they were sitting down, the teacher was teaching. But there was a student and her name was Mary. And Mary was always in the habit of sleeping at the back bench. Now, so the teacher said, Mary, now you tell me, who created the universe? Who created universe? Now, Mary was in deep slumber. So there was a boy who was sitting at the back seat, back of Mary. He had a pen. So what he did, he took the pen and jabbed into her back. Now Mary, she shouted, Almighty! A teacher was very impressed. Who created universe? Almighty, Bhagwan ne banaya. She said, very good, very good, very good. And Mary was in deep sleep. So you give me pen and it's going to be very naughty. मुझे बाद में मत कहना. You asked for a very naughty one. Okay, उसके 2 मिनट के बाद teacher said, okay, Mary, tell me, who is our Lord and Savior? Now, who is Christian's Lord and Savior? Jesus Christ. But Mary was in deep slumber. She was sleeping, deep sleep. The same boy came for the rescue. and he took the pen and jabbed into her back. खटाक उसके बैक में डाला. This time again, Mary shouted, Jesus Christ! Teacher was impressed. She said, very good, awesome, awesome, awesome. And she was back into the sleep. Now for the third question, 10 minutes after, teacher said, now Mary, tell me, what did Eve said to Adam when she had his 22nd child? Eve ने एडम्स को क्या कहा जब उसका उससे 22वां बच्चा हुआ? Okay? Because Christian believe, जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं कि मनु पहला इंसान था, तो इस तरह से Christian believe that Adam and Eve were the first people who came, first humans who came on earth and they had forbidden fruit. तो उसके बाद से they started having sex together and so she said, मुझे बताओ, what did Eve say to Adam when she had his 22nd child? जब उसका उससे 22वां बच्चा उसने क्या कहा? अब बच्चों की क्लास थी, but Mary was again into deep sleep. The same boy came for the rescue, and what he did, he took the pen and he jabbed into her back. Now this time, Mary, she not only shouted, she jumped also. She turned around, and what she said to the boy, the teachers thought that was the answer to her question, and I will not explain. You'll have to understand yourself, okay? So I'll say it very, very speedily. So Mary said to the boy, if you are going to put that thing in me, if you are going to put that thing in me once more, I'll break this into 2 pieces. The teacher fainted. It's naughty. Okay, write down two more words. Jaldi se likhiye 2 more words. Write down 2 more words. Write down 2 more words. Ha 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 ha. That's okay. लिखिए यहाँ पर 2 और वर्ड लिखिए. Books. One more. I'll select one of the 2. Books and bulb. Books and bulb. Books and bulb. Books and bulb. Okay, I'll choose books. I'll choose books. Okay. Books. So let's say there was a girl and she was studying in the library after the college. So when she came out, it was pitch dark outside. So when she was pacing down towards home, she found that she was being chased by a man. Okay? And she was carrying a bag, and the bag was full of books when she came out of the library. So when she was pacing down towards home, she found that she was being chased by a man. Now she tried to quicken her pace. उसने बहुत तेज चलने की कोशिश करी, but because of the loads of the book, she was carrying the bag. जो bag में उसके ढेर सारे books थी. Because of the loads of the books, she was not been able to outrun the man who had been chasing her. जो आदमी उसको chase कर रहा था, she was not been able to outrun the man. So she was passing through a cemetery. वो एक cemetery से गुजर रही थी, and she had a lovely idea. You know what she did? She fled into that graveyard, and she found the nearest tombstone. And what is a tombstone? Tombstone किसे कहते हैं? Tombstone होता है जिस पे कब्र लेके जाती है, जिस पे लिखा जाता है उसको हेडस्टोन कहते हैं, और जिस पे कब्र लेके जाती है उसको जिस पे लेके जाती है उसको tombstone कहती है. So what she did, वो आदमी भी उसके पीछे पीछे ग्रेवयार्ड के अंदर, she went, she sat on that tombstone, उस पर जाके बैठी, बैग को रखा साथ में बुक्स वाले को, and she opened her hair and said it loudly, at last I am home. जैसे उसे देखा सुना भाग गया. Give me 2 more words. Give me 2 more words. Write down 2 more words quickly. Yup. Ring and bottle. 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 Okay, I'll take bottle. Bottle. I'll take bottle. So there was a barmaid. And who's a barmaid? कौन होती है barmaid? Barmaids होती हैं those who serve liquor in the bar. So she left the job and she became a prohibition enthusiast. Now who's a prohibition enthusiast? Prohibition enthusiast उसको कहते हैं who work for NGOs and they work on prohibitory things like drugs, cigarette, smoking and drinks के against काम करती है. So this lady was going to various colleges and addressing group of young men on the evils of drink. But drink नहीं करना चाहिए, इससे सेहत खराब होती है. So she goes to college. So on the stage she produced 2 bottles. 2 bottles उसने produce करी, एक ये bottle, एक और bottle. So she produced 2 bottles One had water, the other had whiskey. एक में पानी था, एक में whiskey था. तो she put a worm in each of the bottle. दोनों के दोनों बॉटल में उसने एक एक वर्म, एक एक कीड़ा डाल दिया. And the bottle which had water, वो जो worm था, वो जो कीड़ा था, वो जो insect था, it was vibrating with life because it was a simple water. With the other one which had whiskey, that worm writhed in agony and died. मर गया. Now she raised both the bottles and said, "Now you tell me what is the moral of story." Now VK, I just saw his name. Now VK, who was standing there, he said, "Ma'am, the moral of story is if you do not want to have worm in your stomach, have whiskey." Okay, two more objects. Two more objects, quickly. जरा से लिखिए. Mobile phone, Apple. Mobile phone, Apple. Mobile phone, Apple. Mobile phone, Apple. I'll take mobile phone. Okay. Mobile phone. Yeah. Okay. So, mobile phone. Mobile phone. Okay. So, it's again a little naughty. Little naughty. थोड़ा सा naughty है. Huh? So, this girl, she called up her mother. बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. हाँ, be very attentive. आपके पास ये सारे मेटल होने चाहिए. मेरे पास कितना मेटल है? पता है कितना मेटल है मेरे पास? So there was this girl, and she called up her mother and said, "Mom, I'll be late tonight. I'll be back home by 9." But Neha, the daughter, she was not back till 9:30. So her mother called her up on her mobile and said, "Neha, you said that you are going to be home by 9. This is 9:30. Dad is going to be home very soon. Where the dickens have you been all this time? कहाँ हो तुम अभी तक?" So Neha said, "Mom, I'm around the town with a friend I know." So mother said, "Neha, you are with a boy or a girl? तुम लड़के के साथ में लड़की?" So Neha said, "Mom, what difference does it make? Where is the difference between boy and a girl? लड़के लड़की में फर्क कहाँ पर?" The moment her mother heard this, she cooled down and said, "As long as you do not know the difference between boy and a girl, अगर तुम्हें लड़के लड़की का फर्क नहीं पता, if you do not know the difference between boy and a girl, come tomorrow. It's all okay." Two more objects. Two more objects quickly. Yup, जल्दी से लिखिए. Two more objects. Gold, okay. Gold and flower. Okay, gold and flower. Gold and flower. Gold and flower. Gold and flower. Okay, I'll take flowers. I'll take flowers. Okay. Flowers. Huh. Okay. So there was this person, and he goes to cemetery, and he had taken with him bunch full of flowers, which he was offering on his friend's grave. Bunch full of flowers. He had gone to the cemetery to one of his friends, and he was offering this bunch full of flowers to his friend's grave. So then he saw on the adjacent grave there was a Chinese, and he had brought a bowl full of chow mein, which he was offering to his friend's grave. So this boy, with very superior smile, he asked the Chinese, "Hey buddy, when do you think your friend will come up from the grave to have his dinner? तुम्हारा क्या लगता है तुम्हारा friend कब आएगा खाना खाने के लिए?" Now he gave a very apt reply. The Chinese gave a very apt reply. क्या कहा उसने? कहता है, "My friend will come up from the grave to have his dinner at the same time when your friend will come up from the grave to smell the flowers." मैं तो चाउमीन लेके आया हूँ, तो तू फ्लावर क्यों लेके आया? Is he going to smell them? एक और सुनाता हूँ आपको मैं फ्लावर्स पे. Did you like it? देखो यहाँ पर हा हा हा, या बोलो कि it went off my head. अच्छा, एक और. So there was a lady rather. So she called up the fire department. The lady called up the fire department and said, "Hello, is this the fire department?" "Yes, lady, this is the fire department." "Well, I have a lovely garden with me." "Lady, you have dialed the wrong number. This is the fire department." "Well, in my garden there are beautiful flowers." "Lady, you have dialed the wrong number. This is the fire department. And some of the flowers I've imported from other countries and they've cost me 5,000, 10,000 rupees a plant." "Lady, you have dialed the wrong number. This is the fire department." Lady said, "Yes, I know. I know this is the fire department. The fire is next door. Fire अगले घर में लगी हुई है. But I do not want to clumsy, you dirty fireman stamping all over my garden when you come. एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूंगा, नॉटी नहीं था, सिंपल सा था. यू लाइक इट, राइट डाउन. ओके, राइट डाउन इफ यू लाइक इट. ओके, जो ऑब्जेक्ट दीजिए. गुड. अमित के सिंह सेज तुम्हारा ऑब्जेक्ट्स जल्दी से दीजिए. आपके पास ये मेटल होना चाहिए. इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ गुड स्पीकर यू मस्ट हैव these ऑब्जेक्ट्स. लिखिए, जल्दी से लिखिए. 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स. eyes, next, eyes, venom. नहीं है, venom से मुझे डर लगता है. So let me take eyes. Eyes. हाँ, ये देखो ना आइस का. कल तो आपको सुनाया था मैंने. आप जानते हो, आपको वीडियो सुनाते हुए बनाते हुए कितने जोक सुनाते हो आप लोग. कभी सोचा है आप लोगों ने? आइस कल आपको सुनाया था. क्या था वो? देयर वाज अ पंजाबी एंड अ कश्मीरी एंड दे बोथ वर हैविंग डिस्कशंस एंड दे बोथ वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द विंटर्स एंड द कोल्डनेस दे हैव इन द स्टेट. सो पंजाबी सेड, बडी, अवर पंजाब इज एनी टाइम कोल्डर देन कश्मीर. दोनों के दोनों फेंक रहे थे. सो this third said, you know, once it was so cold, it was so damn cold in Punjab that there was a sheep. And the sheep jumped from the hill rock to the meadow. And it was so freezingly cold that the sheep was frozen and was stuck in as a mass of ice, and it was stuck in the middle of the air. इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड थी कि जब वो sheep ने jump किया to the meadow, इतना ठंड थी that the sheep was frozen and was stuck in the middle of the air as a mass of ice. एक रहा था वो. Now Kashmiri said, yeah, okay, I understand. Yeah, Punjab must be very cold. But how is it possible? The law of gravity would not allow this. Law of gravity है. वो तो अर्थ के अंदर होती है. ठीक है, वो law of gravity तभी तो खींचता है, तभी तो हमारा वेट होता है. Okay. Now look at this. Third, he said it was so cold that the law of gravity was frozen too. सो इस ढंग से मैं आपसे सारा दिन सारी रात गुजार सकता हूँ. सारा दिन. इतना ज़्यादा सपोर्टिंग मेटल मेरे पास है. और ये कैसे होता है? ये होता है बहुत इजीली, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. इसके ऊपर कैसे हम लोगों ने अपनी सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर को इम्प्रूव करना है, दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक वेरी सुन ऑन दिस चैनल. राइट गाइज? सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. अभी तक हम लोग यहाँ पर थे. चलिए अब हम लोग चलते हैं हाउ टू इम्प्रूव योर इंटरव्यू फेसिंग स्किल्स. यप. मैंने आपको कल बताया था, सबसे पहले आप लोगों ने हमेशा अपने को प्लान करा के रखना है. पहले से प्लान अहेड करना है. इसको कहते हैं हम लोग प्रोएक्टिवनेस. पहले से आपने तैयारी करके रखनी है हर चीज़ की जब भी आप इंटरव्यू देना चाहते हो. नंबर 2, आपको जो ड्रेस पहननी है दैट हैज़ टू बी अ पावर ड्रेस. आपको अच्छे ढंग से पावर ड्रेस, मतलब कैजुअल में नहीं जाना है. टी शर्ट में और जीन्स में अवॉइड करो, ना जाओ. गर्ल्स फिर भी पहन सकते हैं, लेकिन बॉयज़ के लिए टी शर्ट में और जीन्स में जाना इज बिग नो. और टी शर्ट एब्सोल्युटली नो. फिर उसके बाद आपको मैंने कल बताया था दैट यू मस्ट हैव द आंसर्स व्हाट एचआर वांट्स टू लिसन टू इट. जो भी एचआर चाहता है, और उसके लिए हाउ विल यू गेट टू नो? आपको चाहिए कि वेबसाइट पे जाओ उस कंपनी की और वहाँ पर जाके देखो कि उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. वहाँ पर ज़्यादा FAQs कौन से होते हैं, उन FAQs को लो एंड आस्क योर ब्रदर सिस्टर टू आस्क यू दोस क्वेश्चन एंड यू विल बी आंसरिंग दोस क्वेश्चंस. दिस इज द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट वेज ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ. नंबर 4, ये भी आपको मैंने कहा था और अभी दोबारा से कह रहा हूँ कि आपके जितने भी FAQs हैं उनके ऊपर प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. कितनी बार? कम से कम जाने से पहले 10 बार उन FAQs के ऊपर. कितने FAQs होते हैं? 25 of them. Or asking question and giving answer take about 5-6 minutes. So if you practice for 10 times, that means it's going to take an hour or 2 hours. Do it. 1-2 घंटे की प्रैक्टिस कर लो. उसके बाद I'm assuring you, आपकी एप्टीट्यूड के ऊपर तब फर्क नहीं पड़ता जितने आपके एटीट्यूड के ऊपर, आपके कॉन्फिडेंस के ऊपर फर्क पड़ता है. So be very confident when you are giving the interview, and that happens only when you are practicing, when you have practiced enough on FAQs. That is what I said to you yesterday. Now, just one more tip I'm going to give you before I start with I go step number 3, step number 3B. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको जब भी आप लेके जाते हो वहां पर इंटरव्यू के लिए, एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आपके पास कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन का आंसर होना चाहिए विच इज वेरी टेंजिबल, विच इज विजिबल. Solution to a problem example. I say tangible solution to a problem example. Tangible solution to a problems example. जैसे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर जब मेरा इंटरव्यू हुआ था फॉर माई सन इज फ्रॉम अ वेरी 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 गुड स्कूल इन दिल्ली, और इसकी जो रेटिंग है स्कूल की इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट अमंग टॉप 5. मेरे ख्याल से 3rd बेस्ट है दिल्ली का स्कूल. जब इसका इंटरव्यू हुआ था अब से 18 साल पहले, तो मैंने इसी ढंग से आई टेकन विद मी अ रेडीमेड आंसर विच आई नो इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बी आस्क्ड. उस आंसर को मैंने डाला इसमें, और क्या हुआ, वो टेंजिबल था, वो विजिबल था, वो विजिबल था, वो टेंजिबल था. टीचर्स ने देखा और सिलेक्शन हो गया. जाना चाहते हैं आप लोग क्या किया मैंने आपको बताया भी था बहुत पहले अपने बिजनेस क्लास में बताया था, बट आई हैव नॉट टोल्ड यू अबाउट दिस इन दिस ट्रेनिंग. सो व्हाट आई डिड, आई टुक विद मी एन रेडीमेड आंसर. और यही मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि अगर आप इंटरव्यू में कुछ ऐसा लेके जाओगे तो आपके सक्सेस होने के चांसेस 100 नहीं 200% है. सुनिए क्या हुआ, कैसे मैंने अपने बेटे की, देखिए इट वॉज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट स्कूल्स इवन दैट टाइम, और अभी भी है वो फाइनेस्ट स्कूल, मैं नाम नहीं लेता उसका. अच्छा, तो मुझे पता था कि करीब 11,000 एप्लीकेशन आई हैं और इन लोगों ने सिलेक्ट की थी 4,000. छुट्टियां थी सर्दियों की, और तब 15 दिन में जितनी भी टीचर्स थी उन्होंने सुबह दोपहर शाम सब ने लग करके उन 4,000 पेरेंट्स को इंटरव्यू करना था. अब तो हमारे दिल्ली में इंटरव्यूज नहीं होते, लेकिन तब हुआ करते थे, अब से 17 साल पहले. ओके, पेरेंट्स के होते थे, बच्चे के कहाँ होंगे, 3 साल के 4 साल के बच्चे के कौन सा इंटरव्यू होगा. ओके, सो हमारा इंटरव्यू था, और अब मुझे मालूम था कि वी बोथ हस्बैंड वाइफ वुड बी गिवन 3 मिनट्स ओनली. 2 से 4 मिनट मिलेंगे. अगर वी हैव बीन एबल टू इंप्रेस देम दैट्स ओके, अदरवाइज वी आर आउट. और उनके पास सीटी 181 ओनली. 4,000 एप्लीकेशन उन लोगों ने सिलेक्ट करी. उन 11,000 में से, उनमें से सीट थी 181. उनको चूज करना था 181 पेरेंट्स को, उनके बच्चों को, पेरेंट्स को इंटरव्यू करके. इसका मतलब है 7-8 क्वेश्चन दे वर गोइंग टू आस्क मी. मैं अपने साथ में एक रेडीमेड आंसर लेके गया, एंड आई नो दैट आंसर, एंड आई न्यू दैट अगर ये आंसर का क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा गया, तो आंसर को फिट नहीं किया, तो मुझे मालूम था द चांस ऑफ माई सन गेटिंग सेलेक्टेड वॉज वेरी 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 लेस. अब मैंने क्या किया, उन्होंने मुझसे, अच्छा जो इंटरव्यू चल रहा था, एक ही रूम में 4 इंटरव्यू चल रहे थे, बड़ा सा रूम था बच्चों का, उसी के दम को बिठाया. 3 टीचर्स हम दोनों यहाँ पर, 3 टीचर 2 पेरेंट वहाँ पर, 3 टीचर 2 पेरेंट वहाँ पर, 3 टीचर 2 पेरेंट वहाँ पर. मतलब रूम खचाखच भरा हुआ था, 15, 20, 25 लोग थे. तो टीचर्स ने एक क्वेश्चन मुझसे पूछा एंड आंसर दिया, ओके. दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछा, आंसर दिया, ओके. थर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछा, आंसर दिया, ओके. अब मुझे मालूम था 1 और 1.5 मिनट्स और 2 मिनट्स आर गॉन. अब मुझे कुछ ना कुछ वो आंसर को है कहीं ना कहीं पर फिट करना है. जैसे उन्होंने 4th और 5th क्वेश्चन पूछा, मैंने आंसर को दे दिया, और मैंने आंसर को दिया, एंड आई न्यू इट वेंट वेरी 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 वेल. मैंने क्या किया, उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन मुझसे पूछा, हम लोगों से पूछा टीचर्स ने कि आप दोनों के दोनों वर्किंग हो, तो आप बच्चों के लिए टाइम कब निकालोगे. आप क्वेश्चन कुछ और था, मैं इसको कैसे घुमा करके अपने रेडीमेड आंसर पे लेके आऊँ. और वही मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ, इफ यू वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल, यूज योर माइंड, यूज ऑफ किडनी. आपको कुछ ना कुछ रेडीमेड टेंजिबल सोल्यूशन लेके जाना है टू द क्वेश्चंस. नाउ उन्होंने कहा आप दोनों के दोनों वर्किंग हो, अपने बच्चों के लिए टाइम कब निकालोगे, राइट. और मैंने क्या कहा, जी हमारे बच्चे जब भी कोई मुश्किल होती है, हम लोग इनको प्लेफुली सिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं. देखो क्वेश्चन कोई और है, मैं थोड़ा सा उसको घुमा दिया कि बच्चों को हम लोग प्लेफुली सिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी मेरी वाइफ ने बताया कि मेरे दोनों बच्चे स्कूल से आए, क्योंकि छोटा जो है जिसके पहले लेके आया वो भी प्ले स्कूल जाता है, मेरी डॉटर जो है वो भी प्ले स्कूल जाती है, वो बल्कि 4th क्लास में है फॉरेन स्कूल के अंदर. तो ये दोनों के दोनों बच्चे जब ये स्कूल से आते, और आने के बाद बच्चे क्या होता है, बेड के बाद चढ़ते हैं, और वहीं पर ब्रेकफास्ट, वहीं पर खाना, वहीं पर लंच, वहीं पर कपड़े चेंज करना, वहीं पर टॉयज लेके आएंगे, सारा का सारा कमरा ऊपर नीचे उथल पुथल कर देते हैं. तो मेरी वाइफ ने उनको डांटा, समझाया, चॉकलेट दी, लेकिन बात नहीं बन रही थी. तो एक दिन मैं दोपहर को पहुंचा, और हम लोगों ने प्लेफुली कुछ ऐसा किया कि उसके बाद हमें बच्चों को समझाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, डांटने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. कहते क्या किया आपने, लेकिन जी हम लोगों ने बनाई अपनी एक ह्यूमन ट्रेन. अब मैं खड़ा हुआ सब पेरेंट्स के सामने, वो इंटरव्यू चल रहा था सबका, मैं खड़ा हुआ, मैं बाहर निकला, टेबल से बाहर निकला, मैंने कहा हम लोगों ने बनाई एक ह्यूमन ट्रेन. मैं सबसे आगे, मेरी वाइफ सबसे पीछे, और दोनों बच्चों को बीच में डाला. आई डिड इट. मैं तीनों टीचर्स के सामने सबके सब मेरी तरफ देखने लगे। मैंने कहा हम लोगों ने एक ह्यूमन ट्रेन बनाई, मैं सबसे आगे, मेरी वाइफ सबसे पीछे, दोनों बच्चों को बीच में डाला। और बीच में अगर कोई भी कपड़ा आता तो हम लोग लॉन्ड्री बास्केट में जाके उसको फेंक के आते, उसको रख के आते। अगर बर्तन आते तो हम लोग ट्रेन जाती छुक 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 करके हम लोग जाते सीधा किचन के अंदर, वहाँ पर जाके सिंक के अंदर रख के आते। अगर टॉय आते तो बच्चे के रूम में जाते, वहाँ पर जाके टॉय को रख के आते। ये 15 मिनट का गेम खेला 4 दिन तक। गेम का गेम हो गया, बच्चों को समझाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, डांटने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। बच्चों को समझ में आ गया कि कपड़े हमको डालने लॉन्ड्री बास्केट के अंदर, बर्तन डालने हमने सिंक के अंदर, और टॉयज हैं तो हमने वहाँ पर रखने, शूज़ को हमने वहाँ रखने, उनको सब पता लग गया। डांटने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, काम का काम हो गया। क्या कि मैं बैठ गया और तब मैंने टीचर्स के चेहरे पर स्माइल देखी। इन लोगों को ट्रेन किया जाता है कि कभी भी आपने अपने चेहरे से एक्सप्रेस नहीं करना कि आपको अच्छा लगा है कुछ भी, डू नॉट एक्सप्रेस। बट आई वॉज बीन एबल टू सी द स्माइल ऑन द फेस। एंड देन मेरी वाइफ को लात मारी नीचे से और मैंने कहा हो गया सिलेक्शन। और जब 2 महीने के बाद या 1 महीने के बाद जब नेट पे रिजल्ट आया, सो माई सन्स नेम वॉज इन द लिस्ट ऑफ 181। क्या किया मैंने एक टेंजिबल सोल्यूशन अपने साथ पे लेके गया। ये टेंजिबल का मतलब होता है जिस चीज को देख सके इंसान, हर वो चीज जिसको आंखों से देख सकेगा इंसान। मैं बता रहा हूं आपको, ऐसा कुछ लेके जाओगे, आपके सक्सेस होने के चांसेस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे, मल्टीप्लाई 100% हो जाएंगे। राइट गाइस? ऑलराइट, लेट मी सी आप लोगों को कैसे लगा। लिखिए यहाँ पर कैसा लगा आपको ये एग्जाम्पल। यप, योगेश अरोड़ा से हाँ, विकास वर्मा से अमेजिंग, श्याम कुमार ब्लॉग से अंकित सिंह से श्याम कुमार ब्लॉग से वेरी नाइस सर वीपी। विकास वर्मा से अमेजिंग, मधु अग्रवाल शी सेज ओके डन गाइस। तो इंटरव्यू फेसिंग के लिए इतना ही आज के लिए, मेरे पास इतना ही आपको देने के लिए। अच्छा, अब हम लोग आ रहे हैं आपके इंग्लिश के ऊपर, स्टेप नंबर 3B पर। स्टेप नंबर 1 क्या था, याद है आपको? क्या था स्टेप नंबर 1? आई गो, यू गो, दे गो, ही गोज, शी गोज, वी गो। आई एम गोइंग, यू आर गोइंग, दे आर गोइंग, ही इज गोइंग, शी इज गोइंग। ये अफर्मेटिव था। नेगेटिव था नंबर 2, I don't go, you don't go, they don't go, he doesn't go, she doesn't go, we don't go. Step number 3 was interrogative. Do I go, do you go, do they go, does he go, does she go, do we go? And 3B is negative interrogative both. So don't I go, don't you go, don't they go, doesn't he go, doesn't she go, don't we go. Am I going, aren't you going, aren't they going, isn't he going, isn't she going, aren't we going. Haven't I gone, haven't you gone, haven't they gone, hasn't he gone, hasn't she gone, haven't we gone. Haven't I been going since morning, haven't you been going since morning, haven't they been going since morning, hasn't he been going since morning, hasn't she been going since morning, haven't we been going since morning. Didn't I go, didn't you go, didn't they go, didn't he go, didn't she go, didn't we go. Wasn't I going, weren't you going, weren't they going, wasn't he going, wasn't she going, weren't we going. Hadn't I gone, hadn't you gone, hadn't they gone, hadn't he gone, hadn't she gone, hadn't we gone. Hadn't I been going since morning, hadn't you been going since morning, hadn't they been going since morning, hadn't he been going since morning, hadn't she been going since morning, hadn't we been going since morning. Want I go, want you go, want they go, want he go, want she go, want we go. Want I be going, want you be going, want they be going, want he be going, want she be going, want we be going. What have I gone, what have you gone, what have they gone, what have he gone, what have she gone, what have we gone. What have I been going since morning, what have you been going since morning, what have they been going since morning, what have he been going since morning, what have she been going since morning, what have we been going since morning. ये है 3B और इसके टाइमिंग होनी चाहिए अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इन बिटवीन 70 to 80 सेकेंड। जैसे मैं कर रहा हूं बिल्कुल वैसे करना, यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक वंडरफुल इंग्लिश। राइट गाइस, सो हम लोग मिल रहे हैं ऑन द सेम चैनल फॉर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, इंग्लिश ट्रेनिंग एंड इंटरव्यू फेसिंग स्किल्स। बाय बाय, शबा खैर। मिल रहे हैं हम लोग टुमारो .3 o'clock। बाय।